Hi everyone and welcome to 2 Minute Tuesday. Within this video we're going to jump into Avontus Designer and I'm going to show you how to add materials into your material master ready for your designs. Because as we all know, it's always beneficial to work with the materials you use on a daily basis. So why not add in your manufacturer's materials following these steps? Let's get started. Right, to use any type of equipment within your design, this part will need to be added into your material master first. So let's jump into material master. And here is all the equipment I have ready for me to use within my designs. If I want to add in some more material, I can go into additional catalogues. Here it will take you to our website with all the pre-made catalogues available for your designer. So just download what you need. Then once you've downloaded it, you will need to unzip the file for you to be able to upload it into your material master. So once you've done your catalogue and you've unpacked it, I can click on import materials. As you can see, I've got my catalogue ready here. I click on the catalogue, click open. Now it'll ask you these simple questions. Do you wish to replace the existing ring lock within your material master? If you're wanting to replace all the equipment you have within your material master already with this new catalogue, then you will click replace. If you already have parts that you pre-created previously and you want to keep them materials in your material master, then you'll combine. So I'm going to click on replace for this, and it will do the same for cup lock. Depending on what type of designer you have. As I'm using the Pro version, I have all the equipment systems available for my designs. Okay, so I'm going to do exactly the same as I did for the ring lock. Click replace existing, and same for the quick sage. Now once I've done this, it will automatically save, ready for me to use within my designs. If I want to export this material list to send to a colleague, I can simply click on export materials. This will create a catalogue of your materials in your material master to send on. Choose a name, Lee's Materials, click save. Now you can send that file to them, and then all they will need to do is click on import, click on the file and do the previous steps. If you want to add in certain parts, like if you have an extra ledger that you want to add in, we recommend clicking on a previous ledger, duplicate selected, and then the darker one is the one that you're going to change. So I can specify this as being a 1-3, change the necessary information, what's needed for this size. If you know the size that is, update all this information, then click save. If you don't know what part measurements you need and you can't find it within a certain catalogue available, please reach out to our support team and they will create the part for you to add in as shown previously. And there you go. That is the way to add in materials, export materials needed for your design team. Well, I hope you liked this video. If you did, please like and subscribe for more to come. And if you want to know more about Avontus Designer, you can reach out to our support team today or visit our website, avontus.com. Thanks for watching.